Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO K10x to an Android device. Start by opening Play Store on both. Now download free app called Send Anywhere from this developer, and when it's ready, launch it. Don't worry, I used this app multiple times while testing different OPPO devices, so I can assure you it will work. But first you need to click on the same options, starting with I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Now confirm at the bottom. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in a second one. Then hit wherever you want to in all those other ones. Finally, hit send at the bottom left corner of OPPO and receive right next to send at the bottom of an Android. Also on OPPO, thanks to all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few just for example. If you want to send any contacts on files, you need to choose allow a few more times to use those two categories. Then after picking all of your files you want to transfer, hit send next to selected at the bottom to continue. Now tap on OK in white pop-up if you decided to transfer any app. Select Got It in Here's Some Tip 1 and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, hit scanning icon above user guide on an Android. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera as the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And hit Receive button. Close our ads, and as you can see after that my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!